What should be the intro?
This should be your intro.
I can't wait till your car sounds like a Subi.
I can't wait till I get the first complaint.
Pat pat.
Man, that just failed on me. Fluid in this shit. When I first bought this, it was like,
And it's already all the way up.
like 5 pumps. This shit's like all the way. Now
Yeah,
it's like
now I'm looking at it. Mine doesn't take that long to pump it up.
triceps.
Bro, is this an elephant?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not what elephant sounds make.
What the
I was
fuck
trying to
that?
make like the trunk noise or whatever.
Yeah, I see. That was more like a dying rhinoceros. Fucking.
I'm here, bro.
What?
That.
This?
Yeah.
That's new.
That's what I.
Oh my god. I thought it was just like the reflection, you know?
No, that's not the body line, is it? No, it's not.
That's what I thought it was, the bottom line.
Yeah, this one's perfectly fine over here.
Son of a bitch.
Bro, you need to sell your car.
I have a 2015 FRS for sale.
Trade for E36.
15,000 cash today only.
Comes with the wheels.
Comes with wheels
I'll keep the wheels.
and my love that I put in this car.
Ho!
Yo.
You're in shorts.
Vape God.
What's up?
Vape Nation. One for the Vape Nation. Holy shit.
If I break your skirt, it's not my fault, right?
Why don't you just take off the skirt?
Oh no, you're not gonna break it.
Why don't you just slip off the jacks?
Don't say that.
I'm always afraid of it.
That's a 06, okay.
Ooh.
New.
What we got here? What we got here? What we
We
got?
got some CNT unequal length headers.
What is CNT?
I don't know. Cars and turbo.
Cars and turbos.
Check out the welding though.
Pseudo.
God.
Is it pseudo or pseudo?
I think it's pseudo. I think the T is silent.
Dang, let me see those welds. Oh shit. I like these welds.
Yeah,
Like the.
I'm trying not to make this an FRS channel, but you know, it is what it is.
Is it safe to sit inside the car?
Please don't.
Please don't.
Just in case it falls on my face. Watch you clip, Alex.
for real.
Please don't. I've already been.
This thing will fucking pop out.
I've already been hurt enough in my life.
Fucking dead.
This thing sucks. Alex,
Hey,
you might.
who is that?
Damn, I wish I had this fucking.
Oh Jesus, Lord have mercy on your soul.
Hey, it's still
Is
workable.
there stuff on your side?
Yeah, there is.
there
They're
is.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Poke it from this side.
How
Sorry,
many
that way,
Filipinos does it take to take out a clip?
There you go. Ah!
Oh Jesus!
Okay, it's out.
I came on late. And
But usually, in most cases, if you don't have an O2 sensor, it makes it run really rich, which gives it more 2D bang bang.
Lefty. What torque wrench is this?
A badass one.
Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh? Really?
Pittsburgh.
Are you serious?
You bought a Pittsburgh torque wrench?
Why is yours? Why is yours so smooth?
Dude, they fucking work.
Yeah, I know.
People
Mine.
shit on Harbor Freight. Man.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight. That's just like the
That should be their real name. It's Harbor Freight.
shit.
Oh god. I'll push it. So yeah, like 3-way.
Oh, daddy! God, I felt that. Oh, daddy!
Oh, daddy.
Okay. Alright, Jesus Christ. Too many daddies. I'll just hold this up. Okay.
Shit.
Oh, what the hell?
It's out.
No, there's still one stud. Oh, never mind.
I was like, where?
It's squeezed out.
Oh my gosh.
The fucking O2 sensor.
Oh yeah, we have
It's
to
at
take
the
it out.
top. Where's the O2 sensor socket?
Socket.
I'm sorry, it's just a normal socket. Wrench. We need a wrench.
Normal.
What size is that? Like. Okay, that's not big enough.
That's one.
No, it's not big enough. Hang on.
What the hell?
That's one.
Did you say that's why I'm single? Let me just cut this O2 sensor wire real quick.
Okay.
That took like legit only like an hour. That was the easiest header removal.
My dude.
Bro, you want to do a transmission swap while you're at it?
Sure, dude.
So what a GSR.
Oh,
Transmission.
Bro, 2J swap. So let's just unbolt this engine. Damn,
B-series swap.
your
bro.
old pen is so small. That's pretty cool.
Oh, it's like half an inch up from the subframe. That's good.
I know, that's why all these fuckers slam the goddamn car.
Hell yeah. Amen, brother.
What'd you say?
goddamn right, brother.
I was one of those boys.
I'm really surprised how clean your underside is, considering how low you were at one
I
point.
know how to drive, motherfucker.
Damn. Alright, I guess I'm leaving now.
I guess I'm just gonna take my broken ass subframe. All scraped up and everything.
How the fuck this shit fucking come on?
I heard your voice just get higher and higher pitched.
Fucking shit just like fucking...
I'm Mickey Mouse. What the fuck?
Hey, that was legit.
I have to remove the heat shielding for the overpipe. Like so.
Like so.
Yeah, you missed the whole thing.
But overall, it wasn't too bad. If you have any other card in FRS, it's pretty fucking difficult. Mine took like 2 days, so
E36 pipes.
yeah. Today, the whole music, I'll just have that playing.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Copyrighted. Alright, so we're gonna install the new headers. What are these?
CNT unequal length headers.
Looks fancy.
It is. So we just
How much
moved
was this
the
again?
O2 sensors into the new one. This was like about four bones. 400 bones.
What is this, Fred Flintstone? So 400, and then where's your overpipe at? Oh, there it is. Ooh, fancy. How much was that?
That was only $60
$60 really?
Wow, that's cheap.
compared to the $250 fucking Nvidia ones and shit.
Yeah, fuck that. That's just a pipe.
Because
Legit, like,
it's
just a pipe.
This is just a pipe, so it's not really gonna make any
The
difference.
welding's pretty good too.
Yeah, you're just paying for the name at that point.
Alright, let's install these hoes. Cut to the footage.
So over.
Where's the other nuts? Oh, there it is. I'll screw it up for you. Ah! Excuse me.
All right, so we are currently installing the headers.
Easiest header install ever.
Oh,
Okay, maybe.
Jesus
maybe
Christ.
I spoke too
Hold
soon.
on. Let me focus this. Basically, the same thing. How we took it out, we just put it in.
I could buy a fake one.
I have a GoPro.
Or you could buy the Sony ones.
Want to use my GoPro?
You have a GoPro?
Yeah.
Bruh. This whole time.
I only use it for like adventures, so you can use it.
Where's the other bolt?
With a rate of $19.99 per month.
Where's the other nut? It
Uh,
dropped somewhere. Oh, thank you.
There's another
Oh
one.
my god, you my face.
Oh,
Oh, my stomach. My stomach just like growled.
Is this another nut?
are you hungry? Dude, you already fucking ate like 2 of my barbecue sticks. Yeah, you just installed 2 of them.
Really?
Did
Didn't
you give me nuts?
I didn't
That
give you
looks-
nuts.
That looks
I just
brand
get-
spanking new.
I just got it from the floor.
Yeah, I got mine from the floor.
Oh, what did it come with nuts?
I don't think so.
Well, either way, it's the same because
Well,
it's just the nut.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
true.
as long as it bolts up.
But I like shiny hardware.
Boy, ain't nobody
Boy,
gonna see
ain't
this unless
nobody-
you put a goddamn jack in the car show.
Bro,
and you
when I
fucking jack this
scrape,
shit
I want to.
up. Wait, what you want to do? Ruin the multiple?
Alright, this might.
I got the 2 Pinoys working on my car.
We're cheap laborers.
What the hell? Like, oh, it's a separate package.
It's got washers and shit.
There you go, Sean. There you
Here,
go.
let me
That's
hold-
what I
let me
need,
hold the
some
light for it.
light on y'all's faces. There you go. People are gonna be like, "Oh, watching."
I'm hungry.
My neck hurts.
Now that you mentioned it.
Give me this goddamn nut, boy. I'm like Black China right now.
Ooh.
Trying to get that nut out.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, so what is
Shout
all
out to
that
Black
about?
China. So right now we're installing the
there you go.
overpipers to the new headers.
This is really easy
Okay,
to
so
do.
this is what I was saying. Like, it's not flush.
Very easy to
That's what
install.
we can adjust it because you see here there's adjustment on here.
Oh, was that the one?
You legit just put the bolts back in. Make sure you put the gasket, unless you want to have a leak.
Wait, what the hell is this one?
And you went into the restroom.
Oh yeah, so funny story. First of all, too sweet. God damn. Okay, so in the washroom, I walk in, and there's two girls like hugging it out, right? And nothing wrong with that. It's just that was the only restroom, and they stopped and stared at me. I'm like, what the heck? I was just like, and I look to the left, there's a men's sign, and I look to the right, there's a women's sign. I'm like, what the heck? So then I just run to the men's side.
Oh, so
It was
you went to the wrong.
No,
it's
it's
just-
one big restroom.
Yeah,
And the left side is men's and the right side is women's.
and it's
Yeah,
not
I
blocked
remember.
off, and it's like.
Oh,
It
so
was
you
just really
went in.
fucking awkward because they stared at
Oh,
me.
they were they were right there.
Yeah, they were right there
Right when
staring
you
at
walk.
me.
Yes, I remember how the restroom looks like.
Alright, let's just tighten the header up, tighten this up, and we're good. Or unless we tighten the
And then-
overpipe first and tighten the header up.
Hook these mofos up.
And then we're good.
Thicker left.
Wait, how?
Oh my god, this is magnetic.
Bruh.
bro! Oh,
That's
look,
fancy.
shout out to fucking Snap-on,
For
bro.
real. Wait, hold on. Nope. No. Oh.
We could just
Oh wait.
I got an idea.
It was fucking magnetic.
Hang on, I got an idea. What about right here?
Ow, my eyes, bro. Can you
That's
flip
good
that?
enough. Like, this
Dude,
is enough
shout
light.
out to Snap-on.
Whatever, we'll just fucking.
Okay, never mind.
We fit an extension. Oh shit.
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 So
Putang
Filipino.
ina.
Ay, shit.
Maybe like this.
Jesus.
Can you insert the socket, Joshua? It's sort of in. I say we just send it.
No, it's in. It's in.
It's like halfway in.
Did you
Fuck
say
it. I don't
send
give a
it?
shit.
This is his car.
Going anywhere?
Yeah.
Feels like it's not moving.
Yeah, it wasn't moving.
It wasn't? Oh, we're good.
What?
We're good down here.
Got that on camera, boy.
I mean, I guess it's torqued down, I guess.
I'm leaking a tiny bit of oil down here. I don't know why.
Car's leaking oil too. What are you talking about?
Oh, mine's supposed to leak oil. It's old as shit.
Why?
Supposed to be.
I don't think that justifies it.
Yeah, it does.
What
Oh, don't do that ever again.
What
the hell? I
happened?
didn't do anything.
I know. I mean, like me.
What'd you do?
Okay, now I won't.
It going in?
Except this one is really expensive. What the hell?
14.
Thanks,
Did you, were you able to find another 7?
6.5 hours later.
For real.
Okay, this one I have to use a 17 inch on the other side. I need an Integra.
Uh-oh. You said
Just letting you know, y'all know, all y'all Jick Jack subscribers.
All 14 of them?
I do work on my
Please
own car.
donate to my
My Patreon.
They insisted to work on my car because they haven't worked on their cars in a while.
well, I just don't work on my car.
I was about to say, I work in my car like.
So
I work
I don't
on
want
it
y'all
today.
thinking, damn, this FRS owner, he don't even fucking work on his own car.
Typical FRS.
Call him out on the forums. Call him out. Jesus.
Jesus, take the wheel. Oh God, that grunt.
Oh,
Is that tight enough?
Yeah.
You think?
I think you just used all your
you
brute
want to try
force, my
these
boy.
now?
Why?
I don't know. Because this one I can't really tighten.
Here, let Jason do this one.
Yeah, Jason, you do.
Yeah, you freaking prick. You freaking prick.
My head fucking hurts.
Fuck.
God. Oh my God, those are massive.
Yeah.
Ugh. Let's get it for the camera.
That's scary, bro. You gotta burn down your house.
I couldn't do that. Yeah, I would definitely kill them. Dude, there's like 2 of them. They're massive.
Spiders?
Yes.
Weird.
On your head. I mean, on your head. On your light up top.
Yeah. Oh really?
Jesus Christ! Check this shit out. I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail. Oh my god, that's terrible.
17 in the back. You need a ratchet or something.
Time to burn the house down. Alright, plug it. We plugged the O2 sensors back in. Now we just gotta. Well, Jason's still down there fucking with it.
What's next?
Alright, first start. That's it, start it up. Yeah. He's getting the keys. I'm gonna go in the back to get a sound clip.
Oh, you said what the O2 sensors is?
O2 sensor plugged in.
Alright.
Ready to go.
You guys here we go.
That's fucking loud.
Holy shit, dude, that's loud.
It sounds good. Alright, we can probably do a tune now. You want to rev it a little bit? Just a little bit? Huh?
It smells brand new.
Yeah. It's so rich.
That sounds really fucking good. Holy shit.
Alright, we can do the tune now. You got too excited. You just wanted to start driving it.
Shit, that sounds good.
It sounds really good.
Fucking smoking because it's brand new and like.
Which tune was it?
That's definitely not the 93 UEL Bang Bang Tune Jig.
Oh, I think it is.
Oh, is it? Okay.